Hello, everyone. We're back, and today we have a much requested update to your payment tools. Now you can come in and edit invoices, even if they have already been finalized and sent to the customer. Before, if you created an invoice and you noticed a mistake or the customer asked for something to be edited, you had to void the old invoice and create a new one. That is no longer the case. If you come over to any active invoice like this one here and click the three dots on the right, then you will now find an edit button. And once we click here, we can come in, we can change anything and everything about this invoice. I'll just say, for the sake of example, I'll change the quantity of the social media templates being sold here from 3 to 4. And all we have to do is click then resend. When we are finished with our edits, the customer will get a new copy of the invoice. And if we come back to our account, we will see that the invoice edits did come through and the amount has been updated. Hopefully this will make invoicing your customers all that much easier. As always, if you have any questions or concerns, just reach out to our support team via the support portal in your account. They are standing by and ready to help 24/7.